I'm here to show you on how to replace the GFIC cable. Now, first thing is you remove the 4 screws that are right here. Once you remove those 4 screws, the cap comes off. Then you must remove the 2 screws that are right here. Once you remove those 2 screws, you have to loosen these cables right here. There's one that's brown, green, and blue. Once you loosen those screws up, the cable just pops right out. Lift up and just pull, and the cable comes off. Now, when you want to replace it, obviously you just go back and just follow the colors, the blue, green, and brown. Put them in their respective spots and just tighten. Just give it a little gentle tug just to make sure they're secure. Then you have to put back the little plastic bracket. You just put it right over like so. Put the screw in. Once you tighten them, all you have to do is replace this back and then just replace the 4 screws, and that should be it.